Now you have the opportunity to present your point against the statement. Mobile is important for students, and to present your idea, your point, your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arsing, and now I am against that mobile phones is important. First, spread of misinformation. Not every information in mobile phones for study is correct. Second, addiction and distraction. There are so many apps that addicts teenagers. They always point teenager for their growing mind and growing structure, so they target them. Third, lack of depth and the mobile games that are creating illusion in a student's mind, that like a game that blue will name the game, that after playing the game students made so much mistakes that they take their life. Not all content are educational. In that apps, not all contents are educational. Some are that take the path, the diverse the student path with antisocial and away from family. If you have mobiles, you will definitely addict to it, and always that keep you away from your family and make you antisocial. Six, lose concentration. After a while, if you take a break and use the mobile, your concentration will break the concentration cycle of a student. As our mind is so diverse, it will hard. Thank you.
तालिबान काफी ये रियल में बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स हैं, इन्होंने रियल में बहुत अच्छी बातें की जो तालिबान इनको टेक्निकल एडवांटेज के भी 3 पॉइंट्स मिल रहे हैं। इन्होंने कितना अच्छा किया। आप लोग अक्सर स्टेटमेंट को सर बैठने की जरूरत पड़ेगी सर। अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग जब बोलते हैं तो पूरा लिख के बोलते हैं या तो पूरा बिना देखे बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं। पूरा बिना देखे बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं तो भूल जाते हैं, पूरा देख के बोलते हैं तो पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलता। इन्होंने सिर्फ टाइटल को देखा और फिर बाकी चीजें अपने मन से बोली। दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट चॉइस, वेरी। और इनको पॉइंट्स भी पूरे 10 मिले हैं, वेरी गुड। तो इनसे सीखना है और बाकी लोगों को भी कंटिन्यू करना है। Now the House of Liberty, you have the chance to present your point against the idea that mobile is important for students, and to present your idea, your time starts now. Please keep going.
As the discount is this round is about the social media and the mobile. According to the American Psychological Association, the results are that the screen time reduces the attention span. And another thing, it also causes some health issues related to eyes, that some students get myopia. And another thing is that if a student lost access of the internet or the phone usage is restricted, their entire so-called knowledge system got collapsed. Thank you.
Very good, Navin. You made your point. आपने स्टैंडर्ड रेज कर दिया, आपको 10 मिल गया, इनका 9 हो गया। बट आपको जो टेक्निकल एडवांटेज का पॉइंट मिला है वो मिलेगा ही, उसमें कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है। That's wonderful. Now we have made the points against the statement. Now we will go for the cross question round. At this time, each house will be given the opportunity to ask one question as well as to defend your question. Means आपको एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछना है, सामने वाले ने आंसर दिया, उसके बाद आप अपने क्वेश्चन को डिफेंड करने का भी दूसरा पॉइंट मिलेगा आपको। नवीन जस्ट लिसन, फिर नहीं बोलना। जस्ट लिसन वेरी कीप क्वाइट विभा। आज सुन लीजिए, मैं इस राउंड में कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, आप प्लीज समझ लीजिए। इस बार क्या होगा, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना है, सामने वाले आंसर देंगे, उस आंसर के अगेंस्ट आप अपने क्वेश्चन को डिफेंड कर सकते हैं। मींस आप अपने एक और सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, इस चीज की भी अपॉर्चुनिटी इस बार आपको मिलेगी। ओके, सो होप दिस थिंग इज क्लियर। ऑडियंस रेडी रहेंगे क्योंकि इसके बाद ओपन राउंड आने वाला है। नाउ द हाउस ऑफ लिबर्टी, यू विल हैव द चांस टू प्रेजेंट योर आइडिया, सॉरी, you will have the chance to ask a cross question, and to ask a cross question your time starts now.
I am going to ask some cross questions to all houses. Anyone can ask.
No, you need to target, specify.
So I am going to target with equality. So can you guarantee that all the information you get on social media is fact checked, pre-reviewed, and
just do remember na, because this round is about mobile is important for a student, so your questions should not be exclusively involved or focused to the social media only. It should include some elements of mobile also. So आपका जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया का नहीं होना चाहिए, उसमें मोबाइल के भी पॉइंट्स इंक्लूड होने चाहिए, ठीक है? सो मैं आप कहेंगे तो मैं एक मिनट सबको दे सकता हूँ अगर आपको पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं। ओके, to make your questions I am giving all the houses 2 minutes of time। 2 मिनट का आपके पास टाइम है इस राउंड के लिए। क्रॉस क्वेश्चन जिनके लिए भी, जिस हाउस के लिए अभी आप बनाना चाहते हैं, सिर्फ 2 मिनट। हाउस टीचर हेल्प कर सकते हैं। That's all. Now let's start. Let us start again. The House of Liberty. Your time starts now.
Well, as per you mentioned that this is not about the social media and mobile, I would like to again repeat my question to the equality that the reel you watch of the 15-second in your mobile can build a deep conceptual, deep conventional concept of the complex topic, and can you justify that when you are studying that mobile will don't distract you? Can you guarantee that?
Question sustained. Do you want it to be repeated?
Yes, sir, I want.
Okay, one more time. Repeat, please.
As per your request, so the reel you watch on 15-second or the 13-second in your mobile can build that depth, that deep and conventional meaning of that concept will help you. And another question is that when you study, do you guarantee that the mobile you have placed on the side of your notebook can disturb you?
Okay, to answer the question, your time starts now.
So first of all, from the House of Equality, no one was said that part phrase scrolling reels not said by the our community members, and I can answer the question.
Why only Ankit is saying, others are silent member?
आंसर हम लोग दे, आप लोग नहीं दे रहे हो। तो अंकित भैया क्यों खड़े हो रहे हैं? आंसर आपको पता है तो आप भी तो खड़े हो।
Remember that your time is going. It is a fair competition, ना?
आंसर हाउस दे रहे हैं तो हाउस के मेंबर भी तो दे सकते हैं। अंकित
पंकज stop.
Let him complete his point. आप लोग साउटिंग कर सकते हैं, बट उनको अपना पॉइंट आप उतना नहीं है बेटा, है ना?
सर वो तो प्रॉब्लम है।
उतना नहीं है। माइक पे नहीं बोल रहा है, आप ऐसे साउटिंग कर सकते हैं।
Repeat the question, make point.
So, question will not be
I can't repeat. As per the
This one said that mobile and notebook together can distract our mind. I can simply say that if a student time manages quickly and responsibly, he can study more efficient rather than using mobile.
Okay, answer is valid, although not close. But you have the opportunity to make your supplementary question या अपने क्वेश्चन को डिफेंड करने का आपके पास मौका है। तो आपको कुछ बोलना है और कुछ कहना है तो आप कह सकते हैं।
the arguments you said, it is self-proving that the mode of knowledge you are saying from the mobile, that it should be guidance, not that depend on the teenager to control their own distraction.
Since in teenagers there is a common problem of mobile and study, we can say that if a teenager is self-dependent and know how to manage and know the exact positive uses of mobile, they can use them and they can learn and as well as they can not be addicted to mobile.
Simply just you are saying that it depends on the user, but again my statement is the same because mode of knowledge should guide the student to the right pathway, not to depend on a teenager to control their own distraction. Therefore, we make people to learn the right things, not by their own.
If you want to continue, then continue. There is no limit for time. नहीं, बातें कंटिन्यू रखेंगे तभी टाइम मिलेगा, सोचने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला. Okay, then clap for the House of Equality.